everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you are watching me for the first time, hi, I do post videos on makeup tutorials, reviews, lifestyle and much more. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. So today मैंने आपके साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ मैं नायका एंड पर्पल का हॉल. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the Nykaa. So first Nykaa से मैंने खरीदा है the Huda Beauty का Mercury Retrograde eyeshadow palette. So this is how the palette looks like and it retails for rupees 5,000 around. But in discount it is 50% on discount on the day, so I have purchased it for just rupees 2,688 or like that. This is how the palette looks like and you will get a beautiful mirror over here. So this is the first product I have purchased from Nykaa. So next मैंने खरीदा है again eyeshadow palette. This is the Nykaa K Beauty. This is in the shade Birthday Cake and you will get the multicolor. This is a beautiful multicolor eyeshadow palette. I will open it and I will show you. This retails for around 700 or 699, but I have purchased it in discount, so I got it for just rupees 350 around. So this is the next beautiful palette I have purchased. So let's move on to next product from Nykaa. So from Nykaa again I have purchased the K Beauty Cup palette in the shade Self Love. So I'm obsessed with eyeshadow palettes and lipsticks, so they are gonna be in my house every time whenever you see. So this is the next palette and it is इसके अंदर स्टक हो गया है. जब मैं रिव्यू करूंगी तब मैं निकाल के आपको दिखाऊंगी. So this is the next product. This retails for rupees and I didn't get any discount on this product, so I have purchased it and the price of this product is 1,199 rupees. So yeah, let's talk about the purple now. So purple.com से मैंने लिया है Carmesy Panty Liners specially designed for sensitive skin, plant-based. These are plant-based top sheet, naturally soft and rash-free pads. You will get 60 pads in this box for just rupees 330, but in discount I have purchased it for around 150 or 190 around like that. So they have written that remarkably soft and sensitive to skin, so incredibly thin you won't feel it, keep you dry and comfortable throughout the day. So I didn't use them yet. Once I use them I will give you the review, and the reviews are also on the internet. They say that this works really great, so these are so soft and like this, so I have purchased it because the reviews are good, so the product must be good too. So yeah, these are the panty liners which I have purchased. You will get 60 pieces in this box for just 330 rupees, and you will always find them in discount or around so in discount you will get around for 198 or 200. Below 200 you will get this. So yeah, let's move on to next. Next मैंने खरीदा है sanitary pads from Carmesy itself again, and these are XL in size, and you will get 10 sheets of the product for just rupees 150, but in discount I have purchased them for 120 only. So these are the Carmesy sanitary pads. So yeah, this is the next product. So next मैंने खरीदा है lipsticks. So for lipsticks I had this Maybelline का lipstick in the shade Brooklyn Red. This is a beautiful red color shade. So this again retail for rupees 250 around, and I will give you all the product prices in the description box, and so if you would like to please go through the description box. So yeah, this is the next product, and I have also purchased the Burgundy Blush ka lipstick from Maybelline itself again, and it retails for rupees. In discount I have purchased it for 250, and this I have purchased it for rupees 250. Yeah, these are the two lipsticks which I have purchased. Then मैंने खरीदा है again NYB का Runway Mini lipsticks in the shade Kit 1. So you will get 4 different mini size lipsticks. So these are how the lipstick looks like. So these are the shades of the lipsticks. beautiful shades guys, beautiful shades. And the kit retails for rupees around 299 or 300, but in discount I have purchased it for rupees, and also I have purchased them in discount again. I think it's a 198 or 150 around. So these are the beautiful lipsticks I have purchased. Then next I have purchased these primers from NYBay. The one is a NYBay Ka brightening primer, and the other one is the blurring primer. These are the two primers which I have purchased. They retail for rupees around 230 or 220 around, but I have purchased them for 120 and 120 each, or 114 or 160. 114, 116 is a kuch price. So these are the two primers from NYBay which I have purchased, and I didn't use them yet because it's a haul. I'm just showing to you guys. So next मैंने खरीदा है Stay Quirky का nail polishes. So I have purchased beautiful nail polishes, 5 different pastel color, light color nail polishes from Stay Quirky, which they retails for rupees 90 rupees. But in discount I have purchased them for just rupees 54 each of them. So these are the 5 beautiful shades, the yellow color, yellow, purple, grey and green and blue color shades. So these are the beautiful shades here. Then next I have purchased this Maybelline Fit Me Color Loose Powder in the shade 15 Light, and you will get 20 grams of the product. So this is how the packaging looks like. I wanted to purchase this loose powder from so long, so finally I have purchased this product. So yeah, this retails for rupees around 700, but on discount I have purchased it just for rupees 565 or like that, something around like that. So this is the next product which I have purchased. Then the next I have purchased the blush from Stay Quirky. It's in the shade Cheeky Girls Blush in the shade. This is in the shade Coral Cheek. This is a beautiful mauvish pink color shade. So this is the next product which I have purchased. Then finally I have purchased this again another palette from Purple. This is the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette, and this is also the dark color multi-color eyeshadow palette, and it retails for rupees, and I'm in the shade Kit 8, and it retails for rupees 299, but I have purchased it around 198 or like that. Last but not the least, I have purchased this Miss Claire single eyeshadow in the shade 05 and the shade 0504. This is a beautiful pinkish color shade. When I saw on the website, it's like a chocolatey brown colored mauve color shade, but in real when it came, it's pink in color. So yeah, that's it. Pink never leaves me behind. So this is the pink color which came to me, so I cannot send it back because I love pink. So that's all for today girls. Hope you like this video and hope it is helpful, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also if you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. So yeah, thank you so much for watching guys, and you can also ask me what the other videos you would like to see in my channel and what the other videos you would like to see. Comment section down below, and also let me know your valuable opinions about this video in the comment section again. So yeah, let's meet in my next video. Until then, keep smiling, be positive and be happy.